Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock on your Redmi 13. To change the clock on your lock screen, you want to go into Settings. Here, scroll down to Wallpaper and Personalization, and then Lock Style. In here, you can choose whatever one you like in here. Or you can stay on the current one, then click Customize, tap here on the clock again, and you'll see a few different options. If you don't see any one that you'd like, you can of course try to back off from this, choose one that has the clock you desire, let's say this one, and then you can most likely tap on it to see the few different options you may have. As you can see, quite a few different options are available. Just customize to your liking. You may even be able to change where they appear or not. You can change the font, change the color. Once you're done, click Done, and then you can apply it. And from that point on, your lock screen will appear like such. Now, of course, you can also enter the menu by tapping and holding on the lock screen, unlocking your phone, and you'll be in the same menu. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.